Hi, my name is Melissa Pinsons, and I am a registered dietitian with the URI SNAP Education Program. Some of you may recognize me out in the community at senior centers and housing sites throughout the state of Rhode Island. Thank you for joining our lesson today.
Healthy Eating as We Age, Part 1. Presented by the University of Rhode Island Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program Education, URI SNAP Ed. Today we will talk about how to stay hydrated, ways to keep your memory strong, skills on how to plan healthy meals, and learn how to eat a variety of different foods every day. Let's begin with hydration. To start us off, I want you to take a moment to think about how many cups of water do you think you should drink each day? Choose from one of the following answers. Is it 3 cups, 5 cups, or 8 cups? I'll give you a moment to choose the best answer. The correct answer is 8 cups of water every day. Did you know many people, especially older adults, don't feel thirsty until they're already dehydrated? That's why it's so important to make sure you're getting enough fluids throughout the day. Try your best to aim for 6 to 8 cups of water each day. You can also choose other drink options such as low-fat or fat-free milk or 100% juice. Be sure to limit drinks that are high in added sugar, such as coffee with added sugar, fountain sodas, and other sweetened beverages like sweet tea and 10% juice options. Now let's take a look at another trivia question. What color fruits and vegetables do you think help you learn and remember? Is it green, orange and yellow, blue and purple, white, brown and tan, or red? Take a moment to think of your best answer. The correct answer is blue and purple fruits and vegetables help you to learn and remember. Some examples include eggplant, blueberries, grapes, plums, and purple cabbage. Keeping your memory strong, be sure to eat superfoods such as berries, salmon, beans, and almonds. Make sure to get enough sleep each night. Aim for 30 minutes or more of exercise each day. Play memory games like crossword puzzles or word search. And stay social with family and friends, even if it is a quick phone call to stay in touch. Our next question is true or false. Making a shopping list can help me save money. Do you think this answer is true or false? The correct answer is true. This can help you plan for the week and see what items you already have at home and which items you still need to purchase. Plan healthy meals. One of the main messages of the My Plate is to add color to your plate and make half your plate filled with fruits and vegetables. As you can see on the left-hand side, include fresh fruits and vegetables, frozen and canned, with no added salt or sugar. Choose fat-free and low-fat dairy options such as milk, cheese, and yogurt for your best calcium sources. The last 2 food groups include the protein group and the grains group. Choose lean or low-fat meat and poultry options. You may include beans, eggs, nuts, and seeds. And be sure to make half of your grains whole grains. Examples include whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, brown rice, and even popcorn. The next slide will display a video called Curly Kale Slaw. This is a quick 1-minute video that will teach you how to make this easy, low-cost recipe with few ingredients, one of our SNAP Ed favorite recipes. This recipe starts by removing the kale leaves from their stems and then cutting them into small strips. Next, chop a medium-sized onion and mince your garlic clove, or use minced garlic from the jar. Mix together your lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and salt in a large bowl. Add the kale in. Add your chopped onion and toss together. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and chopped walnuts. Your recipe is ready to be served. Please check our website for a copy of this recipe, as you see on this slide now. Thank you so much for joining our lesson today. In summary, be sure to take a quick self-evaluation to see if you're reaching your goals on staying healthy. Drink more water, move more, eat your superfoods, choose foods from all 5 food groups, and keep your mind active. If you are looking for more information, please call our toll-free line or check out our website for more recipes and handouts. Thank you again for joining us today to learn more about staying healthy as we age.